Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will be chatting about my top 5 spring lip products. So I do these every season. I already have a winter top 5 lip products filmed and uploaded, so if you want to check it out, go ahead. I'll leave a link up here. So yeah, if you want to see my picks for spring, then just keep on watching. So the first product that I want to talk to you about is what I'm actually wearing on my lips right now. I'm wearing the Colourpop X Kathleen Lights Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Dreamy. So this is what the guy looks like. This color is literally the definition of spring. It is a muted peachy nude, but as you can see on my lips, it comes off a little bit brighter, a little bit more orangey. So, you know, it's not like full-on orange red that, you know, speaks more summer to me, but it is that little bit muted, and it just is really nice. The Ultra Satin Lip formula from Colourpop is lovely as well. It is a matte formula, but it is a moussey formula, so that means that the product on your lips is not going to be drying. It's going to last a lot longer than a bullet lipstick, but it's not going to last as long as a liquid lipstick. So, you know, you get that in between if you are not a fan of liquid lipsticks but you want something that lasts more than a normal lipstick. This formula is what you need to get. Again, this is what I'm wearing right now, and I actually wore it in my spring glam look, which I will again link up here if you want to check it out. But yeah, that's the shade. Actually, here is a swatch of the Dreamy shade from Colourpop. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it really pulls more orange on me than it actually looks in the tube, but this is what I love about this lipstick. I always have to mention a red in those videos. The red that I am going to mention today is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Liquid Lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce. So as you can see, this it looks quite deep in the tube, but when you apply it, it goes on a little bit lighter. It is a cool toned red, so you know it's gonna make your teeth look a little bit more white. This formula is kind of similar to the Colourpop one because it is a little bit more on the moussey side, so it's gonna wear off eventually. It's not gonna be as long lasting as a matte liquid lipstick from, for example, Huda Beauty, but it is that little bit more forgiving and flattering on your lips. If you have, say for example, lines on your lips, this is not going to emphasize them as much. And if you have dry lips, again, this is going to be a little bit more forgiving because it's that tiny little bit more hydrating on the lips. Plus, it's an affordable product. It's from Wet n Wild, so it is cheap as chips. The next lip product that I want to mention is actually a lip gloss, and this is the Clinique Pop Splash Lip Gloss in the shade 12 Rose Water Pop. So this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful bright pink lip gloss with gold shimmer throughout it, but it's a sheer formula. It is like a splash. You know, the name is actually perfect because it provides like a splash of color on your lips. It is a lip gloss. It is a very hydrating lip gloss. It is not sticky at all. It's actually quite watery, so it provides the hydration, but it does not provide the longevity of a sticky gloss, for example. However, you can apply it over and over and over and over, and it will never look heavy. It just visibly kind of plumps your lips, not in the sense that the formula is actually plumping, but you know, it provides this sort of shine on your lips that makes them the lips, you know, so glossy, so juicy and so plump. I'm not sure how useful the swatch of this Clinique lip gloss will be, but I'm gonna give it a go anyway. Ah, yes, it is. So as you can see, it is a kind of, it's such a pretty color. Like, it is a wash of color. It's not that pigmented. You can wear it on your own, you can put it over a lip liner. It just provides amazing hydration and a pop of color, you know, if you wish. The next lipstick that I want to tell you about, that is my favorite lipstick for spring, is the Shiseido Modern Matte Powder lipstick. So this is what it looks like, and this is the shade. So it is a nude shade. It kind of looks more pinky in the viewfinder, which is weird, but it says that this is a matte lipstick. It is actually more on the creamy side. So again, it's perfect for spring. You can sheer it out if you wish, just to have a wash of color, or if you want, you can build it up to have a really intense and high coverage lip color. This is a little bit pricey. It's Shiseido, but the formula is really amazing. So like I said, you can sheer it out, you can build it up, and it's not going to dry out your lips. Even though it says that this is a powder matte formula, it's, you know, it's a little bit creamy, and if you actually want to make it more creamier, you could use a very hydrating lip balm underneath for it to you know, sort of be more hydrating on the lips. Plus, this formula, even though it is a bit of a more creamier formula, it actually lasts on the lips quite a long time, and there is no problems in topping it up. And here is a swatch of the Shiseido lipstick. So as you can see, I've built it up here, and this is just one swipe. So you can build it up or you can sheer it out, depending on your preference, as you wish, but the shade is lovely and it's not drying at all. And the last product is another Colourpop product, because Colourpop makes the best lip products ever in the best shade. So this is the Ultra Satin Lip, again from Colourpop, in the shade Alyssa. So this is more of a cool toned mauve color that, you know, goes virtually with any eyeshadow look, any, you know, kind of blush or bronzer, because it is so neutral. Again, like I mentioned at the beginning, the Ultra Satin Lip formula is one of my favorite lip products formula, because it does not dry out my lips. I'm gonna give you a little swatch here on the back of my hand. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it kind of pulls a little bit purple on my hand, I must admit, but because of that undertone, it makes any eye look very ethereal. So even if you were to pair it up with a more of a pinky purple look, it would look just beautiful on the lips, and it would go very well with it. So yeah, formula, price and color is on point. If you've made it that far, it's actually time for lip swatches of all of these products. So let's get it rolling. And that is it for today's video. I really love these lip products and they are definitely going to stay in my everyday makeup bag because they are just perfect for spring. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Leave me a comment down below telling me what your favorite spring lipstick is. I would love to know. Maybe I own it, maybe I don't, maybe I need to get it. Just let me know. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.